Hello students, and welcome to Comparing Fractions. In this video, we are going to do some review of fractions that we've been talking about in class. Then we're going to explore this tool from Geogebra. And then I'm going to talk about the assignment that I would like for you to complete. So first, let's talk about fractions. We know in 1/3 over here that 1 is the numerator and 3 is the denominator. For the circle that represents 1/3, we see that it is split up into 3 different sections, and that this is shaded because that's what our numerator tells us. Over here we have 1/4, same thing, 1 is the numerator, 4 is the denominator, and instead of being split up into 3 different sections, this one is split up into 4 because the denominator is a 4, and only 1 is shaded in because the numerator is a 1. If we were to change this fraction to 2/4, maybe not, we'll change it to 1/5 instead. Because we just changed it to 1/5, now we see that it's 5 different sections and 1 is still shaded in. And if we wanted to change it to 2/5, now we would have 2 shaded in because 2 is from the numerator and it tells us to have 2 shaded in. Now for this down here with the number line, we only go from 0 to 1 because the circle represents one whole. We can't have anything larger than one whole. And it is split up based on what our fractions are. So if we were to have just 1/2 for both of our fractions, we wouldn't have any other lines because we only have 0, a half, and a whole. And you can see that these two fractions are equal. They have the same amount shaded in. They're both located at the same place on our line. So if we were to change any of these, like say to 1/3, now our line is split up into thirds. So we have 1 section, 2 sections, and 3 sections. And this indicates that this is 1/3. So for our assignment, what I would like for you to do is look at the worksheet that I have made for you. On the front, we're going to talk about, I want you to focus on trying to solve the comparisons before using this tool. I want you to think about it and think about what you've learned, and you can draw pictures, whatever you need to do, and what you're going to have is 2 different fractions. Say we have 1/3 and 1/2. You would tell me, is 1/3 greater than, less than, or equal to 1/2? In this case, 1/3 is less than 1/2. Then on the back, I'm going to have you come onto this tool and you will use the tool to check to see if your answers were correct, and then you can explore a little bit more if you would like to. I hope you enjoyed my video and enjoy using comparing fractions.